Welcome everyone to this digital training. I am by name Emmanuel, a digital marketer. I'm an expert in graphic design and many more. I will be handling this digital training for today and for this few days for this digital training. Today we'll be looking at video animation, how we can easily create a video animation. But for today we'll be looking at the fundamentals, the main thing you ought to know when you are to create what a video animation. Without wasting much of our time, for you to create a video animation, just go to your Chrome browser, you type in what to render first. And mind you, for this video animation, there are two apps I'll be recommending to us, which is what to render forest and what Plotagon app. These two are one of the best app you can use to do your video animation of anyone's. And let me tell you, you can also make use of render forest, which I'll be making use for today. So just go to your Chrome browser, type in render forest. So by the time it loads, you see something like this on the screen. For render forest, you can make use of it to design anything, either your video animation, either introduction to a new business, either to present something, or even either to present your logo of a business and design and many more. And for this render forest, which I'm introducing to, you can also use it to create design whiteboard animation, which we'll be doing next class. But for today, we want to know about the fundamentals, how you can easily create it. So by tomorrow and by the next class, we'll be having more time to create videos of different ones. So for now, once you go to your Chrome browser, type in render forest, you'll be seeing something like this. So when you scroll down, you see a lot of videos that has been created, but I'll tell you one, you don't need to make use of it. You can easily create your own personally. But if you wish like using the created videos, there's no problem about that. For us to create our own design, our own animation, just come to all. When you click on all, you'll be seeing different ones also. As the way it's showing on the screen here, you will see it also. If you are making use of your own phone, you will see there, you see of different ones created video. So I'll be clicking on 3D explainer video. Scroll down, you click on what create now, because today I just want to show us some things on how we can make use of it and create our own video animation. So when I click on create now, you will it will start loading. So by the time it's loaded, you see what next now. So you can see what is showing us now. For different type of businesses, they already created templates for you that you can make use of, but we won't be using that now. So you just come to what start from scratch. When you click on it, it will take you to something like this, where you can choose any of the template there and you make use of it. The characters, you make use of those characters to build your own what's it called, video animation. For example, you can see for the male character, when you scroll down, you see enough. When you scroll down, you see it as much as possible. It determines what you want to design for your animation. For the female character, you can see it from here. You click on female character, you see enough character that you can make use of, and so on and so forth. On this side, when you scroll down, you see enough that you need to build up your videos. So um, for today, I would just like us to create a little one because today is not the main day for lots of videos. And let me quickly say this. If you know you are not as good as that to create it by yourself, but let me tell you, let me assure you that for this training, once you are able to follow up from the beginning to the end, I assure you that you will become an expert in it. Any questions that is not much clear to you, you can come to the group, ask your question, and it will be attended to. So, for example, now, if you don't want to start going through those stuff, you can just come to start story. So you click on this, you type your stories, you type what you want for the video animation, what you want to type there. You click on what generate project. You can see this. So you click on generate project. So after loading, it's going to give you some characters that you can make use of to design your video animation. You can see it without much stress. It has already given me some that I can make use of here. So it's as easy as possible for you to create your video animation. You can see this now. You can see this also for your video animation to be completed. So for us to just add music to the video that we are creating, once you click on music, you scroll down, you will see different type of music. For you to just choose anyone, just try to play one of it. Anyone you feel like using, you can now click on the plus sign. So let's play this first and see. So that is for that. You can move to the next one, play it. You can see it is as much as possible there. Just keep playing it to see the one you want to make use of. You can see it as much as possible. And if you have your audio already and you want to make use of, which is your music, and you want to add to the video, just click on upload. Then you upload your music. You can just come to upload music here and you upload it from your file. It's as easy as nothing else. So let's just choose this for today. So you click on the plus sign, you can see it here now. And if you want to add your voice, just click on add voice over. So once you click on it, to add your own voice to it, and there's no problem about that. You'll be able to create it and your voice along with it, even with music alongside, and you'll be able to create a very good video animation. So after that, you can also play. You can see now. So that's the one you've chosen. So you come to preview to save your video animation that you've done. Then you click on what export. So when you come here and you click on export, it will start loading gradually and gradually. You will be able to create any video of your choice without any stress. With this, after loading, you click on download. But for now, It's going to export it in form of a video for us. Then, if you are using an Android phone, you put your browser in desktop mode. You can easily long press on the video and download it. With your Android phone, with a system or a laptop or a computer, you are well able to do it. You can see now your video is in a queue. And if you're exporting 7%, 8%, once it gets to 100%, you can download it without any problem. If you are using a system, just right click on the video. Once you right click on the video, you are ready to move on. You click on save this video as, either anywhere you want to save it, then you move on with it and you'll be able to achieve what you want. You can see it's already exporting 31%, 32. Once it gets to 100%, you see it. So you can see now that the video has been completely exported. So let's play the video first. So now let's see what we've done. So that's just it. So after doing that, just right click. You can see it, save video as. So you save your video any way you want to save it, you can easily save it as a video and click on save. You save it without any problem and you move on with everything. So thanks very much. See you in the next class.